day, every day, and I try to throw bands, but she don't need me. I can see you watch her dance like she on TV. She keep me in a trance and I can't break free.
What's up, guys? Happy Thursdays. Let's go. Another day. Another dollar. Making money. This is the way. Let me see. Let's see what we got going on. What's up, man? So today we got Blink, we got Lordstown, CPNG, change it to tomorrow. Got a lot of like sus companies today, man. Luminaire, Koro Sushi. Hope everything drops today. Just die across the board. A little bit bullish on Array Tech though, because they're doing like solar. They're like building things for solar, and we got the whole infrastructure bill and stuff, so it could be interesting there. Then tomorrow we got AstraZeneca. So let's check it out. See what earnings we got coming out today. Ooh, Neo squeezing for that 45. Please, baby. Show us 45, Neo. Alright, so some of the earnings came out already. So Young Bull called out the Blink today. No, Young Bull, no. Why'd you pick the wrong side? No. It's okay, it happens, man. So let's see. They actually missed earnings. So they missed earnings. Earnings per share is negative 36 cents as opposed to negative 29 cents, right? So naturally they lost more money this quarter than last year. But sales, they continue to make more money in sales. Sales is 6.4 mil, as opposed to 4.68 mil. So, which is it's actually pretty ugly. EPS is 200% decrease compared to last year, which means like they're on the record of losing money, right? However, I guess people are pretty hype about how much money they are making, because they're making 611% more money compared to last year. Because last year they were making only $900,000, and this year they're making 6.4. So it's a pretty interesting move there. We'll see where the dust settles. I mean, market is still like overall pretty sus in situations, so it could really go either direction, honestly. So LAZR also reported earnings today. Earnings per share is negative 10 cents. Sales is 8 million as opposed to 8.89. That's like pretty bad on both sides. Didn't do so that well. They said that they are reaffirming their sales guidance of 30 to 33 mil as opposed to 31 mil. So pretty in line. I think this might stay flat, but obviously if EV market is very good, like if EV market is bullish, they're gonna be bullish. And what I mean by EV market is, you know, the whole heap of the sectors, whether it's like Tesla, Raven, you know, all the goodies, right? So interesting there. We also got Watt that reported today as well. Earnings per share is negative 20 cents as opposed to negative 15. Lost a little bit more money than anticipated. Ooh, loss of 6.4 mil, man. That's ugly. Sales is 200K compared to 400K. This company should be dead right now, in the gutters. Sus there, man. What's up, Trigger? CODX reported also as well. Earnings per share. Oh, they're shooting up, man. Up 14%. Up $1.25. What are they saying here? Earnings per share is 38 cents as opposed to 21 cents. Sales is 30 mil as opposed to 24 mil. Compared to last year, is actually bad, 28% decrease. And sales is 37% increase compared to last year. Yo, last year's stock was trading like mad high. It's like $15. People were hyped about this stock because of COVID. It's actually a really good support right now. Like 7.7 range was pretty good area. 8 something, that was pretty good area as well. So it's kind of bouncing off those major support lines and having a strong bounce on the upside. Up 15% now. Is there guidance? What are they saying? I don't know. Maybe they are actually making that COVID stuff. Revenue increase due to sales of the COVID test. Then come here. Oh, they got approval to sell the test in Mexico. That's kind of bullish. And then they got approval to sell the test kit in Brazil as well. Revenue to be in the range of 96 to 100 mil. What is this quarter? Wait, hold up. Oh, that's full year. This quarter is at 30. This was Q3. Pretty interesting. That was not a bad ER for that company. This could see some move tomorrow, man. These small stocks. Let's check out Array. What is the SPY? What's up, Stoke 76? I don't see, let me see. We'll take a look. I got you, man. So Array also reported as well. Earnings per share is -7 cents. That's supposed to -5 cents. Lost a little bit of money than expected. Damn, sales is a miss too. 192 mil as opposed to 203 mil. This is a 200% decrease compared to the same period last year. And 37% increase in sales compared to last year. So did a little bit better in sales last year. However, EPS was pretty trash. Let's see how... Oh, this company's been down, man. 2-year record, 2 years. Looks like they opened around $30 and been going downhill ever since. So it'd be interesting to see where the situation goes. They said they also purchased some company or something as well. And we expect the full year 21 result will be at the lower end of the guidance, which is kind of bearish for the company. But it looks like it's chopping around up and down. PHUN also reported today as well. Earning per share is $1 on the positive side. I mean 1 cent on the positive side as opposed to -4 cents. Loss is 2.5 mil. Sales is 2.2 as opposed to 2.27. Stock is pumping a little bit, up 10% or 40 cents. This is compared to last year. This was much better. They're up on 111%. However, sales is still a 29% decrease. What does this company do again? Oh, now they hold about 129 Bitcoins apparently. they bought more Bitcoins. They appointed a new person, closed the acquisition, launched the smart city solution for city of Pasadena, communication thingy for hospitals. Got some interesting going on, but hard to say much about this. I had a blink at 39, looks sus. Were you shorting it? What were you doing? Oh, you must have shorted it. 40 to 39, nice move. Oh, you longed it. Wow. Let's check out Rye. Where's Rye? Rye is going down. Earnings per share was 54 cents or something. The estimate of 59 cents on the negative side. Cash balance is very low, 150 to 180 mil. And they just lost 95 mil. So they probably have 2 quarters before the company dies out, unless they start making money. Beyond Meat was beat up today. I was looking at it. It was kind of interesting to start a position, but wanted to see if it gets a little bit more beat up tomorrow. Koro Sushi also reported as well. EPS is negative 15 cents as opposed to negative 24. Sales is 27.92 mil as opposed to 25 mil. 81% increase compared to last year and 405% increase in sales compared to last year. Yo, this company is doing really good. People are eating sushi left and right or something. I don't know what kind of sushi they be serving, but must be good. Roku? Yeah, we can add it to the list. Check out Roku. A lot of these small company reporting. LiDAR is also reporting today as well. Let's see what they said. Damn, they're all missing, man. Having really hard numbers to beat. Earnings per share is negative 15 cents as opposed to 5 cents. Missed analyst estimate by 200%. That's a huge miss. The company reported quarterly sales of 100,000. Wait, is this 100,000? Which missed the analyst consensus of 600,000 by 83%. Oh my gosh. Oh man, they're not really selling anything at this point. That's kind of sad. What is happening to this company? It's done. Koro Sushi says they see full year 22 sales at around 130 to 140 mil, which means they're guiding it much further up as opposed to 119 mil. Very bullish move there. Big balls. Let's check out what the market bubble is looking like today. Oh my gosh. Copper is up like nuts today. Almost 9% move. Disney down a lot. Disney down 7%. TPR, Tapestry, up 8.4%. On the downside, Booking.com. EMPH up 8.2% today. Oh man, all over the place. Things are all over the place today. And then we got a lot of things that are just in the middle. Google chopping in the middle. What do we got? What else we got chopping in the middle? Amazon chopping in the middle range, no real movement. Apple flat as hell. Oh my god. Microsoft up only 0.49%. Intel coming back down. Jesus, what about AMD? Where's AMD? AMD had a little bit move up today because it dropped so much yesterday. One of the biggest movers was probably for us was STX, which is Seagate, and Western Digital move along with STX. So kind of weird, man. STX didn't have a drop on the earnings. They actually pop on the earnings and they continue to grind higher and higher. Move from like $82 to $105, where STX actually is pretty close to the current earnings price right now. It was at like $56 on the earnings when we played it, and then it dropped to like $50 and tried to hustle us. But yo, we got diamond hands, man. We had January calls, so there was no reason to sell unless we were break even or in the profit. So we just got in the profit today, closed a lot of the positions, had a little bit average down and went pretty crazy. So pretty good right now. Made a lot of profit. This could potentially go a little bit more, but yo, if you're in the profit, you gotta take it, man. Gotta lock some in. So that was pretty good. Let me see what other earnings we got today. Astra Space. This was supposed to be a big mover, but no movement. So Astra Space earnings per share is -6 cents as opposed to -16 cents, which beat the analyst consensus by 62%. It's kind of bullish. If you guys are into space techs, this could be an interesting company to play around with. What is the market sell order for today? Whoa, that's it? Only 9 mil to the sell side? That's not much. Market is relatively flat today then, based on that. Yesterday was 1 billion to the buy side, so that's why we kind of had a bounce overnight, I would say. Now we're coming back down. SPI? What is SPI? They have earnings today? Up 10.4%. Did anybody play Raven? It was a nice move yesterday, man. Was chopping around for a little bit and then had that big move up, almost 20%. I was gonna say something about it, but Wags already alerted play, and I thought he had a pretty reasonable entry here. So that was a pretty good area, because it dropped. So when I was watching yesterday, I saw that drop here. We had a double bottom move, right? Stock came up, touched that double bottom move. We covered it from that, and then it kind of came back up here. So for that top area, and we started to move up above it. So it was a very strong move here. Back test the moving average there, broke above it, back test the moving average again. So it was a really good scalp too. If you scalped on the 1 minute mark, back test, tried to move back up, broke a little bit here, and then today it just shot up. A lot of back tests at the purple line here though. So a lot of back tests there, moving back up, back test. That's actually a pretty good day trade. So overall pretty decent. But now the stock is crazy. It's like, it was supposed to IPO around $50. around 50 to 60. Now it's already like 120, already 100% from some of the early investors. So people got in at the earliest stage, man. Congratulations. They probably made a ton of money. I had a bunch of my money locked up because I was trying to buy it up to $70. I didn't anticipate it was gonna open much higher than 70. So it was completely gone, man. It's too new. It's hard to play with the stock. It's pretty new, you know. What are we talking about? Mass appeal. Oh yeah, mass appeal. I was thinking about you today, man. Did you ever get out of that TTD at profit today? Because big move, I think, right? Where's TTD? I know TTD is next to my MDB. Yeah, big move up, back up today. Oh, good luck, man. Good luck. I hope it works out good for you. All right, let's check out some of the charts that you guys asked for. Some of you guys are asking about PayPal, SCNS. Oh, Roku. Roku was the first request, so let's check out Roku. What's up? What's up, kid? Ooh, I'm getting the bullish signal on my chart for Roku. Is it time? Is it time? Is this the bottom, Roku? I don't know, man. I'm kind of scared of Roku, dude. I'm kind of scared of Roku, man. It's so volatile when it moves. It just want to do its thing, right? I mean, I do like it here. There is support in the daily here. All right, you know, you got the support over here. You got the support line here. You got the support here. Consolidated and chopped around here. I wish the market was in a better situation for us to really like get into it, but it's hitting multiple support lines. The money flow is coming in, you know, so it's pretty good. It just got highlighted. And then the RSI is extremely bottom, right? Our star chart RSI is extremely bottom. Kind of signaling a possible reversal here. So I could see a possible reversal. I could see a slight move to 306 easily. That's a pretty big move, actually. That's not even a slight move. I mean, it's a slight move on this chart because Roku moves so much when it moves. So that's, if you're bullish, these are possible moves. You know, bigger possible move would be a move back to this other level of point control here around 322. So those are some both opportunities here at 300, and then obviously like 324. So those are some interesting moves that I can see happen. So where's the support line? 272. So you can see a move to 300 and 324. So obviously the market needs to be bullish, a little bit bullish as well. And it needs to hold that level. So, you know, if it holds that level, we can see that move. If it doesn't hold that level, we're probably going to go down. January $300 calls. I mean, yeah, you could do that. How much is that? I probably imagine it's kind of expensive, right? Let me see. Roku, January 300 calls, $1,000, man. That's a little bit expensive for most people. I mean, if you're depending on what your price point is, depending on what you're like, how much you're willing to risk on the play. Right now it's at 270. I can even do a 275 to like maybe 285. That's a $360 risk that could potentially net you back like $600. If we move back to the 300 range. So let's see. Yeah, so we move back to the $300 range. Anytime between now to like, December or whatever, you can make anywhere from 300 to 600. If it's gonna make a move, it'll probably make a move in the month. Right now it's the 11th. We got December 10th. That's a month away. I think that's a reasonable amount of time frame for it to make that move. If you want to be more risky dicky and go a little, less risky dicky and go to January, you can do that as well. 395 for that play. It could potentially pay you 600 if it takes a longer time frame to make that move. So that would be, longer time frame would mean from here. So what was our target? Let's see. Our target was 300 and 324. So we're gonna use the first target, which is 324. You could risk $300 to $400 almost, and then if it makes that move, it would, it would come to this range. Yeah. Shorter time frame with making more money if the move happens quicker. So you would buy the 275 and you sell the 285s, and then if it makes the move there, right? Between now to December 3rd, you make big money, easily 100%. That's all you need, right? 100%, I would say. So I'll put that there in case you guys want to be a little degen, you want to play with it. Good luck. Next one is PayPal. Let's check that out. I think the January 300 is reasonable too. It's just a little more expensive. Did PayPal make a lower low today? HCMC. I'll check it out. Put it on the list. Take a look. Huh? It's less than a penny? Oh, if it's like less than a penny, man, I can't take a look at it, bro. I'm sorry. It costs money. It costs a lot of money just to buy that. So if it costs a lot of money just to buy that, you're gonna have to like you're gonna have to buy a ton of shares. What is there any good news about them on StockTwits? What are they doing? What's the situation? God damn, man, these people are mad annoying outside. Let's see. So let's see. PayPal. I don't think we have a reversal signal on PayPal yet. At least not on the daily chart. Seeing some money flow coming in a little bit on the half-day chart, but I think we're gonna have to wait and see until it finds a bottom. So maybe want to see like. I see the lowest point here is $200. It's above it. I mean, you can start a play on PayPal, but there's just no real confirmation yet. Kind of need to break above these highs over here, maybe like 208, 210s. If we can break 208, 210s, we can see a runaway move to maybe 220s, right? But right now it's just like it's a little bit risky. I mean, you can try to start a position, start a small position if you're bullish on PayPal. Just make sure you get enough time on it. That's true. Terribly happy is right. If you're gonna do penny stocks, crypto is a bigger play now, because a lot of the crypto coins could easily go 100% to like 10x to 100x now. Because we have been seeing a lot of interesting moves in the crypto sector, and like some of these coins are actually very interesting coins if you like, if you're looking hard enough actually. Oh, terribly happy is Omar G. What's up, man? I gotta make notes of that. Like, I mean, I can show you something interesting. Like we showed something interesting the other day about crypto, about like Meta Hero and stuff. So it's just something like this. Like this is a cheap penny crypto
Special coverage of the future
that you
blockchain
can take a
summit
look at.
is brought to you by
So this is like the Meta Hero crypto is hella cheap. Let me see how much it is, man. So you guys are here a while ago. I used to be pretty bullish on Sandcoin, but Meta Hero crypto is like at 12 cents right now. Drew a little pattern on it. It just like opened up recently too. So open up around 9 cents. Right now it's at 12 cents. If this thing like really tried to kick off, and it does go to like the next level, I could easily see this go to $1, $1.20. Like that's 10x. So like if you put $1,000 in there, 10x would be like 10,000, right? But it's interesting, man. Who really knows? A lot of this crypto stuff, they either zero hero, man. They're either gonna be a scam or they're gonna be like mega successful. But watch out the video, check the video. This is on Coolcoin Exchange right now. There's a few other exchanges, but if you like playing penny stocks, there's definitely a lot of opportunity in crypto. We have a whole crypto site server too. I can give you the link to it. So because right now I'm hosting an Xtreme server, Xtrades stream. But we have a crypto side too, and we have another streamer on that side, Steph, that's really good at it too. And there's a lot of interesting stuff, man, but it takes time. You got to put the time and effort. But for crypto, man, if you put the time and effort and you go into finding things that has good possibility of success, and you do the right fact checking, you can find a lot of gold mines, but it takes a lot of effort, man. We used to have this other guy here that they used to trade stocks a lot, and he took a big L. I think he had like a last $1,000 left, and he went to the crypto server side, man, with that last $1,000. And this guy, man, was active every day. He just did a lot of he just did a lot of digging, always trying to stay on top of things, because crypto moves very fast. It's like a street game, man. It moves very fast. So if you're staying on top of your game, finding out what's interesting, what is like hype, what's the new stuff going on around, there's so many ways to make money in it. But it's just like, do you have the time and effort to do it? There's people that flips NFTs that makes easy money, but at the end of the day, do you have the time to learn about it? Do you have do you have the time to put the effort into it and stuff. Like right now, one of my favorite coin is Sandcoin. Our boy Young Bo actually found this a while back. He found this back in February, man. I'll show you the conversation too. So all we did was just buy and kind of hold, and then you know, at that time we thought it moon, but it was only the beginning, and now it's like it's gone crazy. Let me show you this conversation, man. It's gonna be funny. So one of our other top traders at Xtrades, he hits me up, and we were joking around with crypto. We're like trying to find the next interesting coin, right? So one day he's like doing this thing on cryptomarketcap.com. So crypto market cap is like it's like a website where you can look up a lot of information about crypto. And he's just looking on this, man. He's just going through this, clicking these top things and stuff. And then he goes into the learn channel and trying to make money, right? And he goes and tries to get free crypto, literally free crypto, man. He goes in and tries to get free crypto, right, during one of these campaigns. And then he watches this video about Sandcoin, right, which is right here. You could click learn Sandcoin, you can earn it. It's free money. So he goes and he learns about it. He's like, yo, Sandcoin is like Roblox, you know? And he's like, Roblox plus Sandcoin collab, it's gonna be big or whatever. And I remember looking at it, and this was February 14th, 2021, right? Look at this. Let me show you the date, man. I think it's like Valentine's Day, man. So it's that time over there, right? I looked at it. The highest of that day is 30 cents, like 29 cents. The lowest was like 17 cents, right? So let's say it was like 20 cents, right? I'm like, yo, that moon already, 20 cents, man. You know, 20 cents. But imagine if you put $1,000, 20 cents in February. Right now, that $1,000 easy 10,000, because it went from 20 cents to $2.45 right now. You could have bought at any price on that specific day, and you'd be up. It's all about finding the crypto that could make that big move, you know? Because look at it now. Look at it now. It's at like it even went as high as 3.5. So there's a lot of opportunity. You just gotta work hard enough, find it. Go through, like, find as much interviews and information about it as possible. Let's go back to the charts. I got a little bit sidetracked there. Sorry about that. Let's check out PayPal again. You know what? Thought about it a little bit more. Could be an interesting area. Could be an interesting area to start a small position. With a possible stop loss. 199. Because this could move. PayPal could move. Crypto is a little bit stressful, bro, because it's very volatile. It moves up and down a lot. That's why, you know, most of it I do like are just like buying holds, right? Take a look at SENS. Gonna answer that question for you in a little bit. We'll check out the market. SENS came back to support a little bit real quick at 3.6, bounced back up. Looks like they had earnings yesterday, actually. So let's check out the earnings, see how that goes. Overall, I think as long as they're above 3.6, it's bullish. Let me see. Above 3.60 is bullish. Where's the next level? Next level is around 4.12. Let me check the earnings real quick, see how well that earning is. They had a great earnings actually. Sales, they think sales is going to be in the middle of that range between 12 to 15 versus 14 mil estimate. So they think sales might not hit 14, probably hit 13. 200% increase compared to last year in terms of EPS. So the revenue is good, the margin is good, and 370% increase in sales compared to last year. Pretty good there. I don't know what they do though. SCNS. Medical tech. Oh, is it like biotech and stuff? Very interesting. TSM, my favorite company, of course, man. OPFI. I think OPFI was yesterday. Blood sugar monitoring, that's the way. DOCS, let's check that out. What does this do, DOCS? Digital platform for U.S. medical professionals. This cloud-based platform provides members with tools built for a medical professional in a collab. Oh, okay, some interesting thingy. I can see this possible trend line here. Kind of invalidated a little bit over here though. I think I'm gonna rather keep this trend line. So we'll see this move. This is somewhat of a double bottom move here as well. I think if it could stay above this, it could probably go. Could also say there's another trend line on this side too. It's kind of weird. New stocks are hard to play. Let's see how the earnings are. DOCS. Q3 sales guidance is very strong, 85 to 86 as opposed to 74. Full year sales guidance is strong as well. EPS was good beat top and bottom. Sales was beat as well. So good move on both sides. Company IPO pretty low, around 47s. Went as high as 100 and something. So it's had a huge move, right? IPO around $46. Right now is like 76. So made over a 50% move already. Honestly, this is one of those things where you got to check the investor relations page and dig a little bit further into that earnings report to see if they're like posting up, you know, like 100% year-over-year gains or not. So let's see. So take a look at it real quick. So actually, they're posting pretty good gains. Revenue 76% year-over-year. EBITDA is 160% year-over-year. Pretty reasonable. It looks good. It looks good. Watch out though for this, the lockup expiration. That is on November 12th. So that's why it's always good, like take a quick look at the earnings reports, things like that, man. So net margin up 45%. So we'll count that as the EPS, right? Up 45%, and revenue up 76%. Lockup expiration is tomorrow, so be very careful of that, because typically lockups, you know, give people a chance to unload. And you know, stock market is supply and demand. So if a lot of people unload, they're releasing supply, and they're releasing supply that could potentially drive the stock down, right? So look for that support. If it comes back down a little bit, you know, look for support around here, around that $63 range, and hopefully that becomes a buying opportunity for you if that support holds. 63, 64. Good luck with that trade, man. Let's check out TSM. TSM coming back down a little bit. Let me see. So, you know, we like TSM, man. 116 support. Nothing more. Next level over here. So I think that's a pretty good area as well. At the 116. How did I change this color? I love my green lines. So I think if it comes back to 116, that could be a nice buying opportunity. You know, with all the other semi stocks running up a lot, Facebook and AMD partnership for the metaverse, and then you know, we have all these other companies and whatnot, and then Nvidia with the AI Omniverse, whatever, you know, huge opportunities. And then AMD go into the graphic segments of Nvidia as well with their new marketing scheme. And TSM being one of the only few people that are making cars for AMD, they gotta be good, man. If AMD is doing well, I would think they're definitely doing well. I'm waiting for the day that this company hits all-time highs at like 140s, man. Would love to pick up some leads for that. I might even contemplate looking for some leaps, man, because I sold most of my position already and been kind of itching to get back in. OPFI. I mean, if you're buying shares though, so you can hold for a long time. If we come back down to 108, that's another support, right? That's a major support. So if you're holding shares, you know, as long as they're not having issues, I think it's a good long-term investment at the current market valuations. But I'm looking to pick up calls though. OPFI had a pretty good earnings. Earnings per share is 21 cents as opposed to 15 cents. Sales is 91 mil as opposed to 88 mil. So that's a great beat top and bottom. Looks like the stock price is being rewarded for that. Up about 12% after hours. Have no clue what they do though. Looks like they're a former spatial acquisition stock. Came back down, made a little double bottom in the $6 area. Could potentially see a move back to, you know, 9s or 10s possibly. At this rate, it's already 842. But you also need the market to be blessing it as well. You know, if market isn't bullish, then you're not gonna get that blessing. You know, but if market is green tomorrow, obviously you're gonna get the blessing too, right? This is gonna get the blessing too if the whole market is green. I would say short-term target. Where's this yellow line? Yellow line's at 840. Need to stay above 840. So it needs to stay above 840 to hit $10 tomorrow. Let's check out XOM real quick. XOM is oil. They just had dividend day a few days ago, coming back down a little bit due to the dividend day. If you're shorting it, you might have to pay dividend, which was not so great, man. I had to pay like 50 cents, 80 cents, 88 cents dividend. It does look like it's coming down, but let's check out the oil sector real quick. We did go through Blink ER. But we'll take a look before we end the stream here. Yeah, crude oil futures coming back down a little bit. It's at the middle point of control here. Could really go either direction right now. You know, we could either be going up or down. Indecisive. No real move yet. So I think the same thing applies for XOM. It did break that support there though at 64. It's a reasonable area to short. That's what I can say. It's a reasonable area to short. Next area would be 60. So if you're shorting, you're looking for targets, 60 is probably. I know my boy Sean loves shorting, man. Seems like Evergrande officially defaulted. Oh no. Did they really? Got a news article. Huh? No clue yet. Oh, somebody else asked about this market SPY directions and things like that. Let's take a look. I think we posted yesterday about that as well. Oh no, I didn't post it here. Oh wells. Oh yeah, I think we did talk about it actually. We talked about the 3 possible moves for SPY. So I think we're still in that direction. On the daily chart, we're still kind of bearish, still signaling bearish direction. Unless the only way we would be bullish on SPY is if we could close above yesterday's high, which is 467 or 468, and we're at 464 right now. So it's at this point we don't have a bullish signal yet. I would say we're pretty bearish still. But that's pretty much it, guys. I think we're gonna end it here. I wanted to shout out to Lunchex and Earl XT for getting me these the gloves and the mouse, man. This Logitech mouse for last week. Great stuff. And I got these gloves today. Now that I could finally do some burpees and play with my car and stuff a little bit. Oh snap, for real, man. Thank you, I appreciate that. Alright guys, take care and have a great night. You're the man.